Hey, my name's Zach, and I'll be showing you a quick tour of Hyperion, software built to help COCs with the pit count. Over the last few years, we met with a number of COCs, some large and some small, and we saw a chance to build something that could save those nonprofits a lot of time. 15 organizations ended up using it for the 2020 pit count, the first time we were live, and we've been improving the software since. Here's how it works. Before the count, you'll log in and customize your pit forms. Every account comes preloaded with the questions you need for HUD, but you might want to add additional questions specific to your COC. Just drag questions onto the form, and then customize as needed. Next, we create a new pit count. Give it a name, and select the form versions that you'd like to use. You can also use Hyperion for any kind of data gathering or surveying you want to do, but I'm just going to talk about the pit counts today. Pit counts start in training mode. That means that volunteers can fill out test surveys just as they would on the day of the count. They can get used to the software, and you can correct any mistakes you see. When it's the day of, just go live. Watch over the COC in real time and spot areas where surveys are being collected and where they're not, and you can see whether or not a survey is observational, and also youth, a veteran, or chronically homeless. If you do spot a problem, you have all the information you need to contact the volunteer in real time. The map is also helpful after the pit count to help with outreach. After the count is over, go ahead and mark it finished. Next comes data cleanup and deduplication. You can look at the raw data for a record and mark it as invalid or a duplicate. You can also use our built-in deduplication and comparison workflows to compare submissions side by side. Once you're done, export the raw data, download a report, or see the numbers for HUD from within the app. There's a lot more. You can filter by county, export to service point, and use some artificial intelligence to quickly spot possible duplicates. If you want to see more, check out the features page at pointintimecount.com/features. The pricing is at pointintimecount.com/pricing. You can also just create an account and go through a mock pit count right now if you want to see how it works. You can do that at pointintimecount.com/register. If you'd rather talk to a human, that's fine too. Send me an email and we can set up a quick call. I like hearing about how different organizations do their pit counts, and we can see if Hyperion makes sense for you. My email address is Zach, that's Z-A-K, at hyperiondata.io. Thanks.